Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Zero Sievert game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, simply open it. Now here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on this login option. Now here on this page, simply sign into your account. Guys, if you don't have an account, then just scroll down, you'll see the option of create an account, so just create account on Steam. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, then click on the start Steam option. Now once you click on that, you have to download the Steam and install it on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, simply open up the Steam, then log into your account, then click on the top search box and type the Zero Sievert. Now this game appear on the top, so simply open up this game. Now once you open up this game here, just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So just click on this option of add to cart. Now just click on this option of view my cart. So guys, once you click on this option, now just click on this option of continue to payment. Guys, now here simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to Steam library. Just go to the Steam library and on the left hand side you will find this Zero Sievert game. Just click on that, then click on install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, please like it and bye bye.